Welcome back to the channel. I'm Eddie B, and today I'm filming down at my parents' house. I'm spending the holidays with my family. Anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my investing plan and strategy for the upcoming year, 2022. I'm going to be going over how I've been investing throughout this year, and also stay tuned for the end where I'll be giving an update of end of year returns in all my M1 Finance portfolios. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Throughout this year is when I really became more active into what I've been investing in. I started exploring different brokerage accounts and also doing more research on dividend stocks and ETFs. So back in late April is when I found M1 Finance and opened 2 accounts with them. First being for ETFs, second one being for dividend stocks. Also found Titan and opened up an account with them. I'll be doing more videos on that portfolio in the future. I found SoFi, I wanted to explore their investing platform, and also opened up a Weibo account just to dabble into swing trading. Now in October is when I decided to open up a Roth IRA after doing different research with traditional versus Roth IRA. And at this time I decided, you know what, I have a lot of capital in stocks. I want to open up and explore different assets. So I found VinoVest, which is investing in wine, and also found different real estate platforms for crowdfunding real estate, which are Fundrise, Diversity Fund, Caltier, and Real Alpha. So I started investing in those. Here being at the end of the year, just as a general allocation of my investing, I have 62% in stocks. I have 21% into VinoVest, which is wine investing, about 10% into the real estate platforms, and I have 7% in cash just for emergency fund. So moving on to next year, 2022, my plan is, first off, I want to be more consistent with the contribution I have into my stock portfolios and also increase those contributions. I'm going to be focusing on just 3 portfolios. I'm going to have my dividend stock, my Roth IRA, and Titan. So starting off with dividend stock, I want to contribute $100 every single week. Last year I was doing $100 every other week, so I'm increasing that. For Roth IRA, I want to do $250 every other week so I can hit that max contribution limit. And with Titan, I'm going to be doing $150 every other week. This year I've been doing $100 every other week, so I'm increasing that as well. Second goal I have is to be more versed into the fundamentals of the stocks I am investing in, just to know when they're overvalued, undervalued. Also look into other opportunities. Maybe it's a good time to add new stocks to my portfolio, or maybe switch out the stocks I currently already have. Next, as I mentioned, I have about 10% into real estate, the real estate platforms I mentioned. So I want to increase that to about 30% this coming up year, just to have more diversity outside of stocks. My fourth goal is to have more experience with swing trading. So I'm going to be using my Weibo account for that, and just have more confidence on when to enter an exit position. Right now I'm going to be primarily just doing paper trading as I build that confidence and experience, and then I'll be moving into real trades. Next 3 goals I have are all revolving around my YouTube channel. So I want to do 1 video a week just to stay consistent as I build my channel. Next off, out of those videos, I'm going to do monthly updates on my dividend portfolio, my Roth IRA, and also have a video set apart for personal finance and do 1 a month on that. I also want to add in doing stock comparisons, for example, like Coke versus Pepsi, and just seeing the fundamentals behind and which one's a better buy for that month. Last goal for my channel, just to improve the overall quality of my videos and get 1% better on every upload. That pretty much wraps up the 7 goals I have for this upcoming year. And now let's jump into my M1 Finance portfolios, and I'll show you my returns I had here at the end of the year. Looking at my ETF portfolio, this is the first portfolio I opened up this year, and I have a total of $2,341. My gain is $124, and I have a return of just about 10%. Now with this portfolio, pretty much stopped investing in this once I opened up my Roth IRA, because all the ETFs I have in here that I started with are the same ETFs that I have in my Roth IRA. Speaking of Roth IRA, let's move into that. Looking at my Roth IRA portfolio, since my last update, I've added $500 more. So now I'm at a total of $3,255. I have a gain of $73 and a return of just over 3.5%. My last portfolio is my dividend stocks. I have a total of $2,457 in this portfolio. I have a gain of 212 and a return of 18.5%. In my next video, I'm going more into depth into this portfolio, showing what dividends I received this month, what stocks I purchased, and also what I will be purchasing next month. So if you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post that video. And if you found value in this video, definitely smash that like button and comment down below what goals you have going into the new year. And with that, I'll catch you in my next video.